Hey there, fellow go-getters. Are you like me and bought program after program of people promising the world and getting rich quickly, but only never to deliver and try and upsell you along the journey to the point of just throwing your money out the window? If you've been down that road of endless upsells and empty promises, smash that like button because, oh boy, do I have a game changer for you. I found the best online business program to become your own boss with little money needed. No stress, no overhead, and no drop shipping. I have no ownership of this program, just trying to help people to stop wasting money on other programs that don't work. I worked in the banking biz for 20 years, sitting in a marketing meeting when, bam, someone drops this bombshell. Google racks up 8 to 9 billion searches a day. Yeah, you heard that right. Not a month, a day. Blew my mind. So there I was, diving headfirst into the online business world, clueless and directionless until I stumbled upon a video. No intention of watching it, but something clicked. 3 hours later, hooked. Program bought. I had so many haters saying this would never work, especially my wife, but after a year of doing this while keeping my full-time job, I proved them wrong. Fast forward, and I've kissed the banking world goodbye at the ripe age of 45, thanks to this life-changing program. The secret sauce? You'll be building a blog about anything and everything you love. From sports to pets, arts and crafts, home office, outdoor, travel, AI software to gaming gear, the world is your oyster. There are over 4,000 people in this community who are absolutely crushing it. The best part, no overhead, no shipping nightmares, just pure, stress-free passion projects that can grow into a thriving business. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a build-it-and-they-will-come kind of deal like I did. And the cherry on top, no upsells, ever. This program is all about step-by-step learning, where you will build your business in 6 weeks. And with a 4,000-strong community ready to support you, you'll never walk alone. This program comes with weekly live streams, which has the best teacher I have ever had in my life, explaining and showing you each step to do.
And watch step one, because the way that I design anything that I teach is always through a very linear, like step one, do this, and then here's your checklist. And then once you do that, it builds on to step 2, then builds on to step 3. So try not to jump around through these steps as we go through this 2024 certification together.
AI tools are included along with all the social media tools to make your work seamless. My favorite part is the information is never outdated and doesn't require extra money to spend to make you successful. Plus, it doesn't matter how old you are. Some people are in their upper 70s and teenagers in our community. If you are like me and have zero computer skills, it doesn't matter. You can do this no problem. The only thing you need for this to work is discipline, dedication, and a dash of fun. That's all it takes. You will most likely fall in love doing this business like myself and so many others in our community. If you're ready to change your life, go to ambassadorlife.com or click the link in the profile. You will put your email in and it will say if there are spots available to join the program. If there are no spots, you will get an email saying you will be contacted when spots are available. After you put your email in, there are videos similar to the ones I watched, explaining exactly what the program is all about and what you will get. I have no idea what it costs now, but I paid a one-time fee when I joined for life. There may be a monthly option now or a one-time fee. Do what you feel comfortable with, but this is the best program I have ever been with, and it changed my life. If you want to change your life...
You should be afraid of taking risks and pursuing something meaningful. But you should be more afraid of staying where you are if it's making you miserable. The clock is ticking, and if you're miserable now and you change nothing, in 5 years you'll be much more miserable and you'll be a lot older.
Go to ambsdrlife.com right now and check it out. The worst case is nothing changes in your life, but if you want financial freedom and a stress-free life, this is your yellow brick road.